Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best car shampoos on Amazon. Car wash shampoos make easy work out of reducing road grime. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Chemical Guys Mr. Pink Super Suds Car Shampoo. Owners say the Chemical Guys Mr. Pink Super Suds Car Shampoo offers a rich and sudsy wash that's pH neutral, safe for use on all types of materials such as glass, rubber, metal, and chrome. It combines hypersurfactants with slick polymers to lift bonded dirt and gently remove it with every rinse without leaving scratches, swirl marks, or your carnauba wax or synthetic wax sealant. All it takes is 1 ounce of Mr. Pink for every 5-gallon water bucket. Consider it a solid option for weekly maintenance washes. Nearly 27,000 owners have had favorable feedback about the Chemical Guys Mr. Pink Super Suds Car Shampoo, citing everything from its healthy suds to ease of application using a foam blaster. Many consider it their weekly go-to car cleaner. What we like about it: pH-neutral formula, safe on all materials. Gently lifts bonded dirt. Good for weekly maintenance washes. What we don't like about it: smell is not the longest lasting. Not the easiest to wash off hands. Number 2. Adam's Car Wash Shampoo. Adam's Car Wash Shampoo offers a highly effective blend of advanced cleaners and polymers for a pH-balanced formula, safe on all types of surfaces, including paint, metal, rubber, wax, and ceramic-coated paintwork. It carries a delicate wildberry scent, which many users cite as not being too overpowering or too light. Many others have cited its rich and thick lather with equal workability using a bucket, foam gun, or foam cannon. Kudos for coming in multiple container sizes, including 16 ounces, 128 ounces, and a giant 5-gallon, 640-ounce version. What we like about it: captivating wildberry scent. pH-balanced formula, safe on all surfaces. Comes in 3 container sizes, 16, 128, and 640 ounces. What we don't like about it: may leave spot marks if not dried properly. Harder to pour, as thick as batter. Number 3. Megier's Gold Class Car Wash. With more than 115 years in the business, Megier impresses with the Megier's Gold Class Car Wash. Its signature pH-balanced car wash offers a rich and luxurious sudsing action that works great on all paint types. Sudsing, lubricity, and foaming ability are in the upper range, complemented by a shampoo-like smell. Kudos for its extra-large 128-ounce size, 4 times as large as your traditional car wash bottle. What we like about it: extra-large, 128-ounce bottle. Excellent sudsing, lubricity, and foaming ability. Not an overpowering smell. What we don't like about it: may leave watermarks if not dried properly. Flimsy bottle cap construction, prone to leakage if not stored correctly. Number 4. Mother's California Gold Spray Wax. By leading automotive care brand Mothers, the Mother's California Gold Carnauba Wash and Wax uses carnauba, a natural ingredient derived from northern Brazilian palm trees, known for its water-beating, UV resistance, and hypoallergenic properties. It instantly bonds to your paint with healthy suds for a spot-free clean. More than 2,000 users have cited Mother's California Gold Carnauba Wash and Wax, excellent work on matte finish paint, ease of application with foam cannons, and thick consistency. What we like about it: derived from natural carnauba wax. Beads water well and adds a layer of UV resistance. Easy to use with foam cannons. What we don't like about it: doesn't produce high-volume suds. Leaves streaks and residue if not rinsed and dried properly. Number 5. Rain X Wash and Wax. Like the Mother's California Gold Carnauba Wash and Wax, Rain X Wash and Wax bases its heavy-duty foaming action off of natural carnauba wax, known for its easy rinse, water beating, and vehicle finish protection. With visible beads of carnauba wax floating within the container for a vivid visual, but loses to the Chemical Guys just barely as it offers less. This biodegradable and pH-balanced formula does an excellent job of clinging onto and removing dirt and road grime for a spotless shine. What we like about it: Carnauba wax beads are visible in the formula. Smooth look and consistency. pH balanced formula, safe on all materials. What we don't like about it. Only comes in 2 container sizes, 20 ounces and 64 ounces. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.